Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to change your password on your Snapchat account in 2026. Okay, let's go. Step 1, open Snapchat. After open Snapchat, click your profile. After click your profile, click setting option and scroll down, click password option, this one, and you can write new password and confirm password. For example, new password AIIISSSSD. Okay, string and reply password. Very easy. After set the password, click save option. It's easy. This was an education video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more education video. Thank you.